Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to blend together two very powerful features of Visual Composer: global templates and dynamic content, to create templates that you can reuse for multiple purposes, and once added, they will fill out themselves. It sounds a little bit like magic, but let me paint a picture here. Let's say you've got a blog, and each post begins with a hero section that contains of the featured image as a background, the post title, and an excerpt of the post, like these examples right here. Normally, you would create that hero section for every single post manually every single time, but dynamic content can help you automate that process. If you could create a template that would replace the static text and image with their dynamic counterparts, you could just add a template at the beginning of your post and the information would just fill out itself. Visual Composer allows you to do exactly that, and it can save you tons and tons of time. So, as I mentioned before, you just have to use our two features: dynamic content and global templates. Let's start with the most important part, actually creating the template. To do that, first log into your WordPress admin panel, then locate Visual Composer on the left side menu, hover over it, and then click on Global Templates and add New. A quick reminder, a global template is a template that you create and then you can reuse. And if you change any information in the global template, it will change the information in all the places where you've added it before as well. Back to the tutorial. All right, let's give it a name. Dynamic template, for example, for a start, and start building. I've pre-made a template already of my hero section. And as you can see, it consists of one row that has a background image, a Google Fonts element for the post title, and just a placeholder text here for the text block. That's where the excerpt is gonna go. And arrow just for good looks. And we've got the row on full height. All right, let's make all of this dynamic, starting with the background image. To do that, simply go to the edit window of the row and locate the image attribute. It's down here in the design options. And now you can see the dynamic content icon. Click on it, and now just select featured image from the dropdown. Click on Save. Now our image disappeared, and that's because by default the information is taken from the current post. There's no post to take the information from because we haven't added the template anywhere. All right, let's move on to the post title. The same thing. Edit and icon, and now let's choose post title. That's where the title is going to go. Moving on to the excerpt, edit, icon, and post excerpt right here. The cool thing about making a text block dynamic is that you can customize it right here in the editor. As you can see, it has a default look, but we want it to be white and aligned in the middle. Now, don't forget to save. All right, now let's move on to the fun part and actually add it to a post. So let's go back to the dashboard, post, and I've got this banana bread post here. And as you can see, it has an excerpt, a title, and a featured image right here. So let's open it in the Visual Composer editor. It's empty at the moment. So to add a global template, you simply have to look for the element, add it to a page, and here select the template. As you remember, we made a dynamic template, and here we go. All right, and everything's filled out. Now, the last thing to do is just start writing the blog post. And that's all you have to do from now on. Just add the template and everything else will be done for you. You can, of course, add a template to existing posts as well. So I've got this post here. Let's open it with Visual Composer. As you can see, it doesn't have the hero section that we used before. So once again, global template, and let's add it here right at the top and choose our template. And that is it. We have the same hero section, only with the information from this particular post. And it only took us a couple of clicks to do that. Let's say you've decided to add more information to your global template. You're tired of your old hero section and you want to add, let's say, author to the mix. No problem. Simply go to your global templates and find this global template. As you remember, it was dynamic template, and edit with Visual Composer. And now the same exact thing. Add the image, add the text, make them dynamic as I showed you before. And once that's done, click on Save. And let's see. And let's open one of the previous posts. As you can see, the hero section has changed here. And what about the banana bread post? Same thing here, we've got the author. It's that simple. Simply edit once. And now every post where you've added the template to will have the author information as well. Alright everyone, make sure to try out these features together because there's always a way to work smarter and faster. So thank you all for watching and see you on the next one.